Hello Candy Lovers! Welcome back! And it's already 10:45 na. Dito ako matutulog sa studio ko kasi may makeup gig ako tomorrow morning. And at the same time, dalawang event na attenan ko. But then, I just wanna share to you na ito, gagamitin ko yung Leaders PH na AC dressing. So ito siya, Skin Clinic Mask. Yeah, Suits Skin Trouble, Reduces Redness. Kasi meron akong malaking pimple dito. Actually, parang cystic siya. Cystic acne. But yun, gagamitin natin siya. So yan, this is what it looks like. Sobrang, alam nyo, yung pagkabukas ko ng mask niya, sobrang daming serum. Sobrang basang-basa siya. Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng mask na sobrang basa niya. And at the same time, ang bango niya. Yung ibang serum, nilagay ko na nga dito sa neck ko, tsaka sa sa elbows ko, kasi sayang. So, I'm gonna leave this mask overnight kasi naantok na ako, and at the same time, puyat ako kahapon or kagabi. Medyo hindi ako nakatulog ng maayos. Kaya, I need my pamper sesh. Good night, Candy Lovers! Bye-bye! Hindi ako masyadong makasalita kasi linaw. Good night! Ayan, I know hindi na Christmas, pero sometimes itong Christmas light na to, nakaka-calm siya sa akin. Para kasi siyang stars. So, ang ganda siya. Very calming. And, nanonood lang akong TV. Pampaantok. Don't worry. Ano yan? Tiger ko yan, tsaka si Lion. Good night, Candy Lovers! Yes. Coffee Co. vending machine. So, dalawang 5 pesos daw. Tapos, pindutin nyo yung astig. And then, look. Wait for the coffee. Astig. Mainit pa talaga. Back in my studio and I got a package from Maybelline. Thank you so much. Hindi ko na-expect to, as in. Pero I love the packaging. I love it. Pop art / screen print / Andy Warhol style / comic strip. Parang ito yung ginagawa kong artwork before when I was the head graphic artist for Gallery 7 Digital Art Studio. Yes, naalala ko pa talaga. So, ayan, relate ako dyan sa packaging na yan. And then, so this is what's inside the box. Yan, may CD, press kit. I love it. Super. And then, ito yung kanilang, I think bago to. Hindi ko pa natatry halos lahat. Ito, excited ako dito. Maybelline Dream Satin Skin Air Whip Liquid Foundation SPF 24 PA+++, and ang shade is B2. Yeah, B2 yung aking shade. So yan, kasi super ganda daw neto, as in Maybelline Dream Satin Skin. Kaya very excited. Tapos ito, what's this? Dream Satin Skin din na two-way cake. I'm sorry kung yellow yung light ko, but anyway. So, ano ring shade? Dito naman, I'm in the shade of B1. So, this is what it looks like. So, ganyan siya. Love it. Actually, maganda yung white super fresh ng Maybelline. As in, super ganda nun. And then, 3 Vivid Matte lipsticks. Ano to? This one is in the shade of Neon Pink. Whoa, Neon Pink. This one naman is Violet Pink. Wow, Violet Pink. And we have Scarlet Red. Wow, perfect for summer. As in pop art ba? And this one naman is the Hyper Sharp Power Black Liquid Eyeliner. Nakita ko na to sa video ni Say, and ang ganda rin niya. Kaya, I'm so excited. Hindi ko pa rin siya natatry. And, yes! Sunnies! Yay! Ang cute. Ano pa siyang lalagyanan doon sa loob. Let's, Tanan! Maraming salamat, Maybelline Philippines and Sunnies. So, gagawa tayo ng review neto. Alam nyo na, I think Pop Art Summer inspired ang aking peg for this look. So, there. And I also got a package from Mishka Dharma Secret. Yan, maraming salamat. And ano ba yung listahan? So, binigyan niya ako ng list dito. Collagen set kay Dr. Sola. That's my mom. And hair moisture treatment, hand and body whitening whipped cream, green tea facial mask, tomato lightening body scrub. Wow! Excited ako. Sobrang excited ako. Actually, so, bubuksan ko lang muna to kasi, you know, it's so hard to open this kasi naka-bubble wrap and all that. So, pakita ko sa inyo later. Ayan, nabuksan ko na siya. So, this one is for my mom. So, collagen set, anti-aging and whitening. Buksan natin. I hope my mom will not mind naman kung ano yung nasa loob na itong, pouch. So, inside the collagen set, we have the collagen with vitamin E facial toner. Tapos, meron din collagen with enriched lift action. Ooh! At, ito, sabon. Facial bleaching soap with collagen. And, lastly, we have the Derma Cover with SPF 30. Ano yung Derma Cover with? What is this? Creating flawless complexion to reducing pore size, healing breakouts, correcting uneven skin tone, and lightening dark spots. Ooh! Para siyang foundation or concealer? Tama ba? Pero yun. Thank you so much, Mishka Dharma Secret. Super matutuwa si Mommy. As in, nakakatuwa talaga. Parehas kasi kami ni Mommy na makikay eh. Sa kanya kasi ako nagmana sa kakikayan. Oh. And ito naman yung itatry ko under Mishka Dharma Secret. We have the hand and body whitening whipped cream. Ito naman yung green tea facial mask, hair moisture treatment, and tomato lightening body scrub. Ang cute! Iba-iba ng sizes ng bilog. Ang cute! Yay! Thank you po! Yay! Love it! Ayan na, binigay ko na sa kanya yung collagen set from Mishka Dharma Secret.
Hi! Thank you very much for this wonderful collagen set, anti-aging and whitening.
Yeah.
Thanks very much, Michelle.
Yay! Balitaan mo ako dyan, ma.
Okay.
Here in Wat Thai, Abad Santos, and yun, actually impromptu lang to kasi pauwi na kami and then yun, basta may nangyari and then sabi ko kay mother, punta na lang kami dito since alam ko matagal na siyang gusto niya magpa-massage. So yun si mother. Ayan, Wat Thai, here. So, nilibre ko siya. Ang papagawa niya is Swedish massage. 300 pesos lang siya. Nakakatakot kanina, may dumaan dito. Lasing siya, lalaki siya. Tapos, medyo creepy lang kasi parang gusto niya magpamasahe kaso lasing siya. Alam mo yun, buti na lang umalis na lang. But anyway, scary.